I'm Samir Akbari. I'm from Afghanistan. I play viola. So I'm 17 years old and I live in Portugal. I'm the only musician of my family. So I went to a music school. I studied there for 8 years. I really loved being there. I made many friends, and there was also European teachers from other countries. My teacher was also he was from America, and then the situation changed in that we came to Portugal. I was not imagining that I'm going to be a musician and playing an instrument. There was my uncle. He was playing tabla, the traditional instrument from India, and it sounds so good. And I said, "That's can I play?" And he was saying, "Yes, of course." And I was playing so wrong. When I grew up, I grew up with listening music, with Western and Eastern also. I was listening to classic music like Bach, Mozart, Paganini, to them, and also Indian classic music and also Afghan music. And Afghanistan is the only country that is silent, that there is no music there. So everything is banned. It's our mission to show to the world that Afghanistan has music. Yes, we are here and want to show the Afghan music to all the people around the world. Music has the power to bring the cultures and the people together. Be a musician is a beautiful thing, and becoming a professional musician, so then in future you can help your country. Afghanistan can do everything. In this day it's difficult, but nothing is impossible. But in the future, we have bright future, I feel, and I hope one day Afghanistan become peaceful, so I can go there and show my Afghan music and my everything to my home.